All right, let's talk about YouTube nursery rhymes. They're way more complex than you might think.
Yeah, it's not just about the catchy music. These songs are actually building a social framework for kids. So this is the main idea, right? These aren't just cars, they're vital community helpers. First up, we've got the protectors, the ones who keep everything safe and in order. The police car isn't just a car, it's really a symbol of security and protection. And the fire truck, it's all about emergency response, teaching kids how we handle a crisis. Then there's the ambulance, which introduces the whole idea of healthcare and looking after each other. Even the garbage truck is a hero. It's all about public health and keeping our city clean. Okay, so we've gone from protecting to building. Now let's look at the vehicles that create our world. So this is a big shift, right? We're moving from safety to actually building stuff. And get this, the lyrics literally lay out the process, a simple step-by-step guide to building. Each vehicle has its own special job. It's a perfect lesson in teamwork and specialized roles. And here's the key takeaway. None of this works unless they all work together. So what's the real lesson here? You're looking at a kid's very first introduction to civics. You can actually categorize all these roles. It's like a mini society of helping cars. You can draw a straight line from each car's job to a core function of society. So yeah, this is obviously way more than just some catchy tunes about cars going vroom. What we're seeing is a simple blueprint for how a community is supposed to work together. Think about it. In just a couple of minutes, kids are learning these huge social concepts. And this is huge. They're not just cars, they're friends. That creates such a positive feeling. So if this is their first lesson in how society works, what does that mean for everything after?